Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have the comparison of these two terms, and here we just tells us that which one of these term is greater. Okay, so in order to check which of these term is greater, here first we focus on 2 to the power of 41. So here we need to simplify 2 to the power of 41, and we write here this is 2 to the power of 41, and we again write its exponent as this is 41, and we write it as 2 to the power of 40 plus 1. So here we use the nice exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of a to the power of m. So here we use this nice exponential law in the right hand side of this term, and we break its exponents and we write it as 2 to the power of 40 into 2 to the power of 1. And now here we again simplify this term, and we have 2 to the power of 40, and we write this 40 as 4 times of 10 into 2 to the power of 1. So here according to this law, here we need another exponential law, and we know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, then it will be written as a to the power of m times of n. So now we use this nice exponential law here. So we have our expression will be written in this form, and we convert this form to this form. So here we write this expression as 2 to the power of 4 and its whole power 10 into this is 2 to the power of 1 becomes 2. And now here we know that the value of 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16, and its whole power 10 is multiplied by 2. So this is the simplified form of 2 to the power of 41. And now again we focus on the second term. So our second term is 3 to the power of 31, and now we write our second term into the simplified form. So here first we just copy down this term, and we have 3 to the power of 31. So again we focus on its exponent, and we break this exponent and we write it as 3 to the power of 30 plus 1. And now again we use first this exponential law, and after that we use this exponential. So according to the above two exponential laws, we write this expression as 3 to the power of 30 into 3 to the power of 1. So here we write this 30 as 3 to the power of 3 times of 10. This is multiplied by 3 only. And here according to the second law of exponent, we write this expression as 3 to the power of 3 and its whole power 10 is multiplied by 3. So here we know that the value of 3 to the power of 3 becomes 27, and its whole power 10 multiplied by 3. So this is the simplified form of 3 to the power of 31. So here we move further. First we just explain some inequalities law, so that here we know that if you have some two inequalities, so which I can write here, if you have two inequalities in which A is greater than B and C is greater than D. So if you have these four numbers A, B, C, D, and A is greater than B and C is greater than D, then here we just say that when we multiply these two inequalities, we easily say that A multiplied by C is greater than B multiplied by D. So here we just easily write this law, and after that we have another law, so in which if you have A is greater than B, and if we take some positive power n on both of the sides, then our inequality remains same, and we write it as A to the power of n greater than B to the power of n, when our n is belongs to some positive integer. Okay, so this is the our second law of inequality. So here in order to move further, we need these two laws. So here first we just compare both of the sides, and you see here the the simplified form of this term is 16 to the power of 10 times 2. The simplified form of 3 to the power 31 is 27 to the power of 10 times of 2. So here you see that we have the base, the exponent is 10 and its base is 16. So the exponent is 10 and its base is 27. So now first we compare these two terms. So this is 27 and this is 16. So here we compare these two terms, and we say that 27 is greater than 16. So according to this law, if you take the positive exponent on both of the sides, so this inequality remains the same. So here we take the 10th root or 10th power on both of the sides, and it will be written as 27 to the power of 10. It is greater than 16 to the power of 10. And now after that, here we have you have the other term is 2, and if you focus here, we have the other term is 3. So now we compare these 2 and 3. So here we just call this is over inequality 1. And now we compare these 3 and 2, and here we just clearly write that by comparing 2 and 3, so we know that 3 is always greater than 2. So that here we just name this is our inequality 2. And you see here these are four numbers A, B, C and D. So A is greater than B and C is greater than D. So now the time to use this nice inequality. So according to this nice inequality, if we multiply these two inequalities, then we get its output in this form. So here we multiply 1 by 2. So multiplication means we multiply left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. So we have 27 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 is greater than 16 to the power of 10 is multiplied by 2. So here you see that 27 to the power of 10 times 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 31. So we just place this equals to 3 to the power of 31 is greater than, here we know that the value of this term is equals to 2 to the power of 41. So we place this is equals to 2 to the power of 41. So this term clearly says that our 3 to the power 31 is greater than 2 to the power of 41. So if we will write this sentence in the question statement, so you say that 2 to the power of 41 is less than 3 to the power of 31. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.